Ever wonder what the numbers on the air filter stand for? Let's talk about it. To make it simple, it indicates the size of your filter. Understanding the filter size is important as it can affect the efficiency of your air filter. And if you actually measure the filter, you may find that the size is different than the numbers on it. Your measured size is the actual size. And these big numbers right here, they're known as the nominal size. So from left to right, first number right here is the width, or the short side. That's going to be this part right here of the filter. The second number is going to be the length, or the long side of the filter. That's going to be this right here. And lastly, the last number is the thickness of the filter, or the depth. That's how thick this part right here is. For more information on actual size versus nominal size, or if you want to know which way the air filter arrow goes, check out these videos.